What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y back with another video, man. First off, I want to say Happy New Year, man. I know it's a couple days late or whatever, but Happy New Year, man. New year, new goals, new everything, man. Today's video is just gonna be about the little things, man. You know, we grateful for the little things. We grateful for the little things that we can do to these cars, man, to get it ready. You know what I'm saying, to hit the road. So that's all I'm doing today, just the small details, small things that some people do. So we're gonna get into that. But I got a few things lined up that I'm trying to do. Just stay tuned, man. So here we go, we're gonna get on the small things. Let's go. So yeah, YouTube, we got a couple pieces up here. You see that? These are the window trims right there. I got some out here. Had to adjust my camera, man. It was bright out here, but I got some out here. So you seeing all that laying out. You know what's going on. This is what we got going on. We're gonna hit it with some of that. See if I can get that to focus. If I can. Give me 1 second. Boom. Yes, sir. The hot rod, satin black, that's what we're going with. That's for the pieces, the trim pieces. We doing the window trim, man. Just small thing. We're gonna spray that down and some other little things. So you gotta just stay tuned. I'm trying to just get your stuff out. Anyway, it's all gonna make sense, man. When we done, it's all gonna make sense. So we're gonna be straight, man. We'll be alright. So yeah, y'all see that's that black trim right there. See how I got it painted? That's gonna look real good. It's gonna look real good on the back of that window right there. Had to take it out to paint, so I know the sun hit my dirty window, but it all makes sense when they come together. So I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. So yeah, YouTube, we back. This a whole nother set. I just went on and started on a whole nother set when I cut you guys off. But see how it came out. That good black. Satin black is no, it's nice. It's gonna sit around that trim. That trim gonna sit around on that white. It's gonna pop out. And we're gonna be good. So yeah. We on to the next. Brighten this thing up. I got this taped off right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this trim right here on the window. It got hit before. Not hit, but you know it got scraped when I was priming, so I'm gonna hit that, hit the other side, and that's what all I'm gonna do for now. That's what I'm gonna do for now. And I finish the other little parts when I get that in. Alright, hold on. Yeah, YouTube, so this is the finished product. It's not perfect, but you know, it's great. See, I got a little spot there. I end up having to clean it because some of it got around on the edges, but you know, it's still good money. Still good money. I clean that up right there. Other than that, it's good. Window tinted, we looking good. I'm gonna tell y'all something right now. Hey, it ain't always gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes stuff have flaws. My car got flaws, but I painted it, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I did it myself. And if I want to fix the flaws, I can. I got runs in my paint. Guess what? If I want to, I can sand them down, cut it, buff it back out again, because that's something I learned while doing it. But we ain't doing no cuts. We ain't doing no editing to make it perfect over here. This is how it is, you know what I'm saying? This is my personal car. And however I like it, this how it's gonna be. But so yeah, we got this side done, man. We good on this side. I'm gonna do the other side, and that's it. But you know what I'm saying? I just want to give y'all something for the new year, man. Just in here trying to knock stuff out. I got a couple other things coming. A couple other little projects I'm trying to finish. I might drop the video of my partner when he came over and recorded me. We pulled the SS out because I wanted to test my brakes and stuff like that. But he recorded me. I wasn't really gonna do no footage on that, but he wanted to record it, so I got just a little bit of footage, you know. I seen it. It ain't all that. It's just a little something. But hey, man, just to let you know, we coming. We coming. You hear me? I'm coming. My luggage is Louis. You hear me? And I'm bringing it with me. But yeah, this is the end of this video, man. I just want to let y'all know sometimes, you know, it's the small things you can do that can make your car look even better. Like the trim I did. So, you know what I'm saying? When I put it on, had the car washed up, you remember like, oh yeah, he did do that. We did do that, make it a little better. You know what I'm saying? The small things from little lights, new little small trim, all that make a difference, man, when we trying to come out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, man. Sometimes them shops get bagged up. You don't know where to start. You got to do it yourself. And we out.